Hey guys, it's KGame9323 and we're playing this game again and I'm going on the end. I'm back for Beez. And I did play a little bit so I'm in the 5,000. Oh, claim hive. Yeah. So I did play a little bit, as you can tell, because my goal of honey is 6,000. 6,000 something. 6,708. Did a little bit of it already, so then I don't have to do it for so long. I did some this morning. How do you get up there? I was trying to get up there once, and I don't know how to do it. I'll go up. I'm gonna get up there. I'll try to actually. Be right back. Wait! I tried to get this one, but you can only go through them. I don't get how you're supposed to get up there, but yeah. Be right back. Okay, I'm gonna get my honey, but look how many bees he has. What the heck? How did they get that many bees? Wait, how'd they get that many bees? They're right next to me. How did they do that? They might have Robux or they play this like every single time. He's got a lot of bees too. Not as that many. Yeah, I got a bigger backpack. That's why it's taking so long. Then the basic bee only takes 25. Wait. Okay, I can't step out of this, or else it stops them. And then there'll still be the honey in there. Ooh, I got 6,000. Well, I can't spend it yet. I can't even, well, I'm in 6,000, but I mean, I can't do it yet. So, I'll be right back. Bee. Hello. Okay, wait. I'm done getting this. It's full, but watch this one do. I'm gonna do a bee trick. Ooh, I flip over. Wait. Can you see it? You don't see that. I'll do it again, slow motion. Maybe bots might pay. Okay, there it is. Okay, there's the bee. And the best bee in this game is the bear. Collects 12 pollen in 2 seconds and makes 125 honey in 2 seconds. Attack is 1, speed 14, energy 35. It's colorless. Yeah, it's latte. You have 4 bees. You've discovered 4 types of bees. Oh, cool. Brave bee. Ooh, cool. Oh, okay. Wait a second. I want this lion bee so much. Oh, the legendary. Colorless. Energy 60. Collects 16 pollen in 4 seconds. Makes 50 honey in 2 seconds. Wow. It's a lot. So yeah, I'll be right back. Wait. I got enough, but I'm not doing it. So yeah, bye. Well, bye for a second. Okay. I'm over the 1,000, but I'm not gonna get it until I get more. So yeah. Be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna go get it. Cause guess what? I got an extra $1,000 for some reason. Well, honey. Yes, I got 2,000 left. Leave the shop. Next room who it is. I'll be there in a second. Okay, I'm almost there already. Yes. Oh yeah, just up here. That was dumb, but it's gonna be right here. Just kidding. It'll be right here. Oh, got another cool bee. Yep. Yeah. Got 2 bees. I wonder which one was my first one. Now I'm gonna go over here. I really need to get one of those jelly jars again. I need a new one now. What is this? Join the... What's the honey dispenser? What is this? I wonder what that does. But anyways. It's maybe a little bit short, but... Well, never mind. But it's normal, but... Bye, guys. Bye, bees.